Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am going to light and burn for the first time the Firebelly Razen wood cook stove. So I always love to do a first fire for you guys, show you how to get the stove lit. Couple points that I make in every video, so if you watch my videos consistently, sorry for repeating myself, but to everyone who's new out there. Number one, you never build a roaring fire in your brand new stove. Otherwise, the material will not cure properly and you run the risk of actually warping out the stove. So you definitely don't want to do that. So basically what I do is I will take you through 3 different burns. We will do our first burn, which is a small kindling fire, our second burn, which is a medium fire, and then our third burn, which is going to be our final hot fire. Throughout the video, I will give you the various temperature readings along with the burn times on the stove. Alright, so I'm going to be building the first kindling fire, small fire number 1, with my nice dry kindling that I just chopped myself. Normally it is not my job to split my own wood. So again, we always start kind of small. And actually, I do like these bars inside the firebox because you can kind of stack your kindling up on the bar and kind of keep it off the bottom bed of the floor, which I think is going to make it pretty easy to get the airflow going underneath. So that's a perk. Here we go. Teepee style kindling, no paper ever. Let's get it lit. So I got my handy dandy blowtorch that I always talk about. Yes, easiest way to get the fire started, no paper ever. Good dry kindling. So you do want to make sure that you have your damper controls open so that the smoke can go up and out the chimney, and also your air wash control on the top you want to be open as well. So as long as you have good dry wood and no paper and a good blowtorch, you really can get a nice fire started with very minimal smoke. So how you light your fire is key when it comes to smoke output in the stove. Of course, some stoves are better than others when it comes to smoking with their airflow. So far, so good on the Razen. Pretty easy to get lit. I did notice with this model that I had to leave the door open, cracked just a minute to kind of get it going. Never ever walk away from your stove when you do this, and you never want to leave it open more than a couple of minutes because you could overfire it. So, but if you're standing in front of the stove and you need to get enough airflow going, you can do that. You can leave it open for just a few minutes, but just don't walk away. Don't forget about it. And then, yeah, once it's, cracking, like you guys can hear it popping, you're pretty much good to go. All right, here I have my fire, my kindling fire. You can see it's burning down here. My glass is burning absolutely clean, nothing on there at all. So I'm going to give you guys some temperature readings. So this is the beginning stage of my first burn. You can see my coals are burning down nicely. This is approximately 15, maybe 20 minutes of the stove burning on its low kindling fire. So here's your first set of temperature readings. Glass is 468 degrees. Your cooktop directly over your cook plate over the firebox is 254 degrees. Cooktop over the oven is 97 degrees. The side panel next to the oven is 81 degrees. And then your firebox side panel is 80 degrees. So panels stay nice and cool. So I'm actually gonna load this fire up and go into my medium burn. And then once that burns for a little bit longer, I'll give you guys some more temperature readings. All right, so I'm gonna let that burn for a little bit and I'll check back in with you guys. Burning into my medium fire here. Stove's been burning maybe 40 minutes. Glass is still nice and clean. I just have one single log in my fire on top of my kindling. So stove's burning nice and hot. I can feel the heat getting thrown off with my medium fire. So I'll check in with some temperature readings soon. We are about an hour and 10 minutes into our medium burn. So I'm gonna update you guys with some temperature readings. The firebox glass is 703 degrees. Now I do want to clarify that we never activate our oven damper when doing our first burn because we don't want to be circulating that around the oven. We only do that when we're baking, which we're not. And again, never when you're breaking the stove in. So I will go ahead and give you guys some oven temperature readings when the oven is not activated. Wow, it's pretty hot in there. Back of the oven is 506 degrees. Left hand side, 556. Right hand side, 480. So that's pretty hot in there with the oven not even being activated. We'll go ahead and give you side readings. Oven side panel is at the top of the panel 95 degrees, middle of the panel 87, floor panel 80 degrees. Firebox side panel 107 at the top, 92 in the middle, 80 on the floor. Your hot plate measurement over the firebox is 388 degrees. Middle cooktop is 230 degrees, and over the oven is 125 degrees. So again, we're not quite into a full maximum burn. This is still our medium burn. Okay guys, so I am 3 hours into my medium burn. As you can see, my firebox is about burned out, so I'm going to go ahead and load up the stove for my final hot burn. We are into our hot burn right now, so I'm going to give you guys some temperature readings. Cook plate is 320 degrees. Front door temperature is 660 degrees. Oven glass is reading about 336. Center cooktop 258. Directly over the oven is 152. Side panels haven't really changed. About 100 degrees on the top, 80 degrees on the bottom. Yeah, about 115 at the top and 80 degrees at the bottom. I really hope that you guys are finding these videos helpful. I get a lot of amazing feedback from you guys on the phone and in the comments. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. So if you like our content, please don't forget to give them a thumbs up, share them with people that you know that are interested in these products. We really try and give you like a full demonstration of everything that you're going to be getting with your stove, what to expect, your burn times, how to maintain it before you make a purchase. I totally understand that this is a very large purchase and you want to have it right the first time. So I'm here to help you guys out. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments, Also, you can send me an email off of our website or give us a call at the office. I am always available to help you out with your guys' cook stove or heating needs. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Have a wonderful day.